Poop emoji.
Okay, guys, so here's part 2 of the video. It's Pancake Art Challenge again. I just flipped my fidget spinner and it ripped tragically. So there's my mom's poop. There's Spencer's rainbow / poop. There's Nolan's rainbow fish, half of his rainbow fish, and Spencer's turd. A booger. Okay, so now we're gonna go get the plate.
Let it cook, let it cook, let it cook.
Oh, I thought you didn't flip it yet.
This is the one that eats flips.
Oh. I haven't flipped one yet. I haven't flipped one.
You're blocking me.
There's another booger.
That's the rainbow fish.
It's a booger to me.
Kind of looks like a fish.
Nope, that's
it's
not
like,
done.
It's the tail.
Good. It's not done yet.
I know, that's why I put it back on.
You can turn it on probably a little bit hotter.
Move that.
Leave the fish alone.
I gotta
It's not
move
done.
it.
You're gonna ruin it if you keep moving.
These smell so good.
That burnt. Stop.
I'm moving it so I can make a new one.
No, just hang on.
Don't move somebody else's. I didn't move any of
Flip your
yours.
Spencer.
This one?
Yes. Not that.
Oh.
If you said this one, I said yes.
I said I was at that one.
Come on, get it going. Before it breaks. Hurry. Make sure it's done.
Do you count that as done?
You see.
You touched one.
I'm trying to get this one.
I guess it's probably done.
Here, can I have the plate so I can put mine on?
Nolan's fish is done.
This.
Yes.
It looks like a splat of booger. Bug. Nolan's rainbow fish thingy. A little bit longer. That's good. Put it on that side a little bit longer.
It's good. Put it on there. It's good.
I want to get it a little bit on the
If the other side's plenty cooked, it's all good. You're gonna just dry it out.
Alright, my turn.
Scrape these.
Eat them.
Here's white,
Okay.
but it's not gonna come out slow. It kind of pours fast.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pull another one. Alright. It says, for Riley, musically sign. Okay, so I'm gonna make, we don't have red, so I'm just going to make it, I'm just gonna make it pink.
Okay, I'm doing my last one. Wait, there's 2 more.
Well,
I'm doing 1, 2, 1. You're doing it, okay? I got a rainbow. I'm doing
just get a new one.
Yeah, I'm doing a different one.
Just do what you want. Make it creeper.
It.
You got it. You got it.
Clearly clown.
Okay.
Red. Well, what this color is? That's way too big.
I don't care.
Head.
I need the white. So this might look bad because this pours out too fast.
You can go slow. It's getting ready to come out soon.
Told you guys.
Wait, can you lower this temperature down for a minute?
Go towards warm. You'll be okay.
There's my face. Okay, it looks
So
bad.
we got a glob and then the rest of the slime.
Slime?
Sign. Okay, so that looks bad.
Orange, evil eyes.
No, you should have done blue eyes and orange hair since he has red hair.
Yeah.
So this is filling in pretty fast. If you hear stuff in the background, that's just my baby brother playing on my mom's phone. Oh my gosh, guys.
You would have made it a lot smaller, you'd have a lot more.
It mixed. So, there it is. He doesn't smile, he's evil.
I know, I'm making
Big
a
teeth.
evil grin with teeth.
Little blue, just put dots. They're all mixed together.
It's gonna be anyway.
You could have made like little dots and had separate teeth. Here, give me the white. Wait, he has a white face.
We have
the
white.
Watch, let me help you here. It doesn't matter.
Because the other side it won't.
Well, it might on the blue because it was way too wet still, but it'll be
Can I
okay.
put some blue in?
It's okay.
It's too late.
It's too late. That should have cooked just
Why do I keep burning my... I need hair.
I should have waited till that blue was just a little bit more dry.
Make it like an afro.
Um,
That's going to be hard to get off.
Yes.
Alright, we're going to pause the video while he's doing that.
Nobody even see
We'll be right back. Okay, so he finished
Turn it
it.
back up a little.
He finished it. And
Don't go to the edge. Oh man. That's not
he finished it. And there's that. There's my musically sign. Doesn't look very fabulous. I mean, it would look a lot better if the white glob didn't come out.
Excuse me.
don't do anything to mine.
I'm not gonna do anything to yours.
What are you doing?
Making something.
Mom.
Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. It's not done.
Hold your dang horse.
Don't talk to me like that. Is that recording? Of course.
What is that? Is that a Cheeto?
Yep.
Way too thick.
No, don't waste it just for Cheetos.
Really?
It's almost gone.
Yeah. Okay. I'm getting too close to my M's. I
He's
needed to
getting
go
too-
around it.
Ew, look, it's bubbling.
You can't even see mom anymore.
It's
It'll
when you
be on
flip
the
it
other
over.
side.
Oh man, wait, I should have put my capital M on this side. It's okay, I guess. It's not ready at all.
No.
Okay. Riley, yours is probably ready to flip.
Where's some of the other pancakes? I want to eat mine. Pause the video.
Alright, we're gonna pause the video and be right back once I get this off. Okay, so this doesn't even look like the musically sign at all whatsoever.
Are you recording?
Yeah. So there's that is. There's Spencer's Cheetos, there's Mom, and it isn't ready
You
to
want me to
be
help you do
flipped
this?
over
No,
yet.
not yet, not yet.
It's ready.
So I'm gonna pause the video while we flip it. Okay, so my mom's making an ice cream cone. Here, take Nolan his rainbow fish. Try not to rip it.
Just playing with the kids. You nasty water?
Look, Nolan.
Ew.
Look how cool your rainbow fish is.
That's super gross.
Whoa! Here, eat it. It's a pancake.
Okay, let's play. Go ahead.
Can Mara eat it? You want syrup on it?
Guys, she's making an ice cream cone.
Let's play.
Can Mara eat it?
I need you not
Get
to
the
mess
syrup
up
out.
my area.
Right there.
No, that's not syrup.
Sophie's turn.
I'm recording Mom doing it.
Oh, see, she got one right there. No, hello, it's my
Here, back up.
turn. This toilet water is really gross.
It's good.
Oh my goodness.
Melt.
Cherry on top.
your little thing back in there. Ryan, that's right. Okay, I'm gonna do it 2 times, okay? 1.
I'm out. Peace out. I'll see you later.
Take this.
Yes, your time.
Ryan is ordering it.
Sonny, order it at.
I don't know. Call the controller.
Careful.
Did he already do it? Since he's heading home. Excuse me.
What's going on?
Where's my phone?
Okay, guys, so there's
Where's my phone?
one more thing in the bowl, which is a rainbow. Alright, I'm gonna wait till my mom gets hers off and then I'll do the rainbow.
I don't want to hear the video.
Why? You look fine. Oh, it's gonna rip. Ooh. Guys, look at this. Look how cool that looks. It looks awesome. Okay, so can you try to get all that orange off? Tell Lauren to turn that down. Sorry guys, that's really loud.
What are you making?
The cloud at the end of the rainbow.
Don't make it so big. What is on that?
Hmm? I don't know. There's no black on a rainbow. So this is like gonna be like a 3-4 color. I'm actually gonna add black to add some tone. And last but not least, white.
Slow down.
I think I'm going pretty slow.
A little bit faster. Keep it thin.
Ta-da! It's the most prettiest rainbow ever. I want to make the white even. Alright guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, so here is my rainbow. It looks awesome. So that was the end of this challenge. I hope you liked this video. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and keep on watching my videos. Bye guys.